What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online as a beginner with this simple method. You can use the internet right now to make money online, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this tutorial. Now, the best part about this method is you won't actually need to have your own website or anything like that. So you don't need to go and create a complicated website. You don't need to code anything. And that's what makes this method really, really simple to do. Most make money online methods, you have to go and create some sort of website or funnel or page. With this method, you don't have to do that. Now, this tutorial is a few simple steps, and I'm going to take you through every single step in this video step by step, and there's only a few steps, so this video is not going to take very long, but make sure you watch all the way to the end so you understand all of the information in this particular video. Now, what can you expect from this guide? This is a quick and easy 10-minute guide showing you all the steps so you can learn everything you need to know about this make money online method in the next 10 minutes, because I know your time is valuable and you want to get on to potentially making some money. But always, guys, remember, my videos are for educational purposes only. I do these videos to show you what is working for others online, and there is no guarantee that you will get results from these videos. They are just to show you what's working online for people. And I bring out videos every single week, so hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. And let's get on with the tutorial. All right, guys, so before we get into this tutorial, we first have to understand something called Google HTTPS. And what this is something to do with having a secure website, but not only that, it actually helps websites get higher rankings in Google. So you can find some information about this on Google, but this is an article here called Why SSL is Good for SEO. If you don't know what SSL is, I'll explain to you what that is in a second, and you'll understand more about it as we go throughout this tutorial. So essentially, what SSL has got things to do with the website being secure, and websites need SSL to rank higher in Google. So it's this little thing here when you go to a website and it says not secure. You want it to say secure because first of all, it means that the website's safe, but it's also a ranking signal in Google. So essentially, if a website is not secure anymore, they're going to get downgraded in Google because Google favors websites that actually have SSL and they are secure, okay? So we can actually take advantage of this and we can make money by helping companies get secure. So let me explain to you exactly how you can do this so you can make money online with this method. And people are still, like, this has been around for quite some time, but people still have unsecure websites and there is money to be made here. So let me explain to you exactly how to do it. First of all, what you want to do, this is a list of the most profitable niches. You can find these types of things online anywhere. I just put this into Google. We have automotive, auto dealers, auto financing, all sorts of local businesses that we could target so we could fix SSL for them and make money, okay? Now, this is a list of 122. There's probably thousands out there. You can find all sorts of lists online. They are completely free, most of them. So just go into Google and put top local niches or something like that, and you'll get a massive list right here of niches that we can target. So let me show you an example in this video and show you how to make money online by doing this simple method. It's very straightforward and simple to do. So first of all, you want to go into Google, right? And you want to put something into Google from this list or a list that you have, okay? So for this example, I've put in carpet cleaners, okay? Very straightforward. This is one that I found on here, carpet cleaners. Then what you want to do is you want to go down and you want to click on this view all section, or you can actually go down and check out the websites here. But for this example, I went to view all. And when you go to view all, it brings up this page of a map of your local area. This is where I live. And then it's got all of the websites here. And what you want to do, so there's two ads at the top, but what you want to do is you want to go down a little bit because the top ones are usually good. So I'm just going to open up one of these websites down here, and I'm going to show you a good example first, okay, of a website that we don't really need to deal with. So for example, this website right here, it has the little lock thing here. This means that it's secure, okay, at the top there. Now, if I actually click on this right here, it says connection is secure. So this website is fine. We don't want these types of websites. We want the types of websites that don't have a secure connection, okay? This is very important because this is those are the people that we're trying to target. So go through and open as many as you can from this list. It's just easier from this list, or you could actually do it in Google, Google itself. Now, here's some examples of what we're actually looking for. This website here, Puma's Cleaning. If we look, it says your connection to the site is not secure. So this is bad. This is really bad because first of all, it means that the website's not secure, but also they are at a disadvantage when they're trying to get traffic from Google. And then here is another one right here. Your connection to the site is not secure. So this is really what we're looking for right here, and it's very important that we find this, okay? Because it's a shame that these websites are really nice, they put in a lot of effort, but they are missing one simple thing, like this one here as well. They're missing one simple thing, and that's an SSL certificate. So how can we actually help these companies, get the certificate? Now, I know people who are charging around about $300 all the way up to $600. And what they're doing is they're contacting these companies. So you go to the contact us page. Most websites have a contact us page, right? So contact us here, and they have a thing at the bottom here. But contact us. We love hearing from you. What you can actually do is you can go out and you can contact these companies, and you can offer to fix this problem for them for a small fee. You can charge whatever you want. If you want, you could charge $50, $100. It depends if they take that or not, or $500. I know people are charging quite a bit for this. It really just depends on if these people are willing to pay that money or not. But the thing is, right, it's very important that these people have a secure website. Because if they don't, this website's not even responding. Because if they don't, they are at a disadvantage of Google. So you just explain to them the advantages of SSL. And what you could do is you could go to Google and you could actually put in SSL advantages. And there's a whole list of things that you can go and find and you can show them so they understand how it could actually help their business. Now, what you could do, there's two ways that you could actually do this. What you could do is you could go to YouTube, okay, and you could watch a video on how to install SSL. Okay, and then you can ask them, and what they'll do is they'll give you access to their backend, and you can go and do this. So how to install SSL, this video here, this video here, this video here, this video here. There's lots of ways to actually go and do this. You can watch these videos right here and you can go through and learn how to do it. Or you can actually contact their hosting company and they will usually do it as well for free or for a small fee sometimes as well. So there's a few ways you can actually do that. But if you don't want to do that yourself, you don't want to learn how to install it, you don't want to contact their web hosting company, what you can actually do is come to a website called Fiverr.com and you can put in SSL at the top. And these people will actually install it for you, okay? Very simple, so you don't have to do any of the work. So look, if we look at this one right here, I will install SSL certificate in your web server or website. So we click on this, and we can actually get them to do it for us, so we don't have to do anything, okay? So for, let me have a look at this. So for $7 my currency, they will do, we probably want to go maybe, so for $7 they will install it, and then they'll also check the vulnerability testing, or you can actually upgrade it to $30 and they will do everything, right? So let's say you went with the $30 pack. And you charge them $300, $400, $500. You're making like $200, $300, $400 profit. Or if you just want to charge them $100, you're making a $70 profit if they decide to go with you to install this. So essentially what you're going to be is the middleman. You go and offer your services to these companies, and then if you do it this way, you pay this person or a person like this to do this for you, and you are the middleman. So you take the profit in the middle. It's kind of like drop servicing. If you want to know more information about that type of method, I will leave a video below on what drop servicing is. But that's what you're doing here. You're installing this on people's websites, and then you're paying someone else. You're offering to install it, and then you're paying someone else to do this for you. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do you actually go out and what kind of emails do you know what to send? So for example, if you go to Google and put in outreach email templates, there's so many email templates you can use. Like this one here, this one here. If we actually open up this one in a second, this one here, 13 killer outreach email templates. There's literally thousands of them online that you could go and use and edit, okay? So I'm going to click on this one here. And remember, you can send up to 2 or 3 emails to these guys. If they don't get back to you, then just move on to the next one. But if we go down here, there's all of these email templates that you can actually use, okay? Heaps of different types. And all you've got to do is take these email templates and then just simply edit these templates, okay? You can just edit these templates and make it relevant to what you're doing. So for example, here we have this one. I hope you're doing well. I see you've published, what to say, your website. Great stuff. I was doing some research this morning and noticed, and you could say, noticed you haven't got SSL installed. This is very important for Google search engine optimization. And then you can actually go on to explain why it's important, okay? And then you can send this email out to them. Now, it's very important that you get this right, otherwise you won't get any replies. But there's lots of email templates that you can actually use online. And it's very easy to do, guys. Contact those companies, pay someone else to do the work for you, and simply collect the profit in the middle. This is a very good way to make money online, and then find your free templates online. If you want some more strategies on how to make money online, I will leave some free videos up on the screen right now that will help you. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.